Welcome back to the channel. As usual, stock exhausts just don't cut it for me, especially on a 125. In this case, Leo Vinci to the rescue. Tools for this job were minimal and the installation was straightforward until the bracket part to hang the exhaust. The plastic shroud is removed in seconds, held only by 4 screws. A further 2 bolts will loosen the header, and with a few turns, the O2 sensor was easy to remove as well. Last but not least, the whole system is only held by 1 bolt in the back, which makes for quick and easy work too. The new system will save you a few pounds compared to stock and is just as easy to bolt on. Unfortunately, the Italians are not very good with instructions, and it took me a while to figure out the bracket. And I'm still not 100% sure if I got it right, but it seems to hold the system firmly in place with enough flex provided by the spring-loaded setup at the header and the can itself. A optional dB killer comes with the system, so let's take a listen to the sound with the dB killer installed first. To me, the system sounds much better and deeper with the dB killer removed, albeit earplugs are a must in this setup. Here are some driving situations with and without the dB killer. Enjoy!